Hello everyone, please read disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. Okay, welcome to Simple Trading Style channel, and today we are going to do daily stock market review. And is it still bearish or bullish? Let's do review and do summary for it. Please subscribe for the YouTube channel, Telegram and Discord community, and please click like button. Thank you so much. And this simple trading style works for stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto. If you like it, please go to the description and learn about the. Just watch the trainings and learn about the simple trading style. Okay, let's move to VBull. About VBull setup, also you can learn from the description. There is the link. Okay, it's a red day for US stock market. Also, it's red day for China, but red day for US stock market. We are going to talk about the US stock market. Okay, let's do it. Let's move to and let's start. And okay, US dollar daily. US dollar green day for US dollar. It's a bearish for stocks, right? Bullish for US dollar, bearish for stocks. MACD is kind of trying to change direction. It didn't confirm yet, but looks like it wants to change direction and go bullish. So far, it's still bearish on all indicators. And looks like it touched MA 100. I'm sorry, let me repeat my settings. White line MA 200, purple line MA 100, blue line MA 50, yellow line MA 20, red line MA 10, moving averages 10, and green line MA 5. Let me MA 5, okay. Okay, this is the daily time frame. It means this is 200 moving day, 200 days, white line. Okay, let's talk about the. Okay, MACD green line is a MACD line, and red it's a signal line. MACD wants to change direction. So far, no confirmation yet. Still in the red bars and still in the bearish zone. No confirmation yet. Still bearish. It touched MA 200 4 days ago. MA 100, sorry, 4 days ago, and maybe it bounced. It looks like it bounced already from MA 100. We'll see. Maybe it will touch MA 220 and will bounce from MA 20. Let's see how it will work. So far, it's still negative, still bearish trend, bearish signal with the bullish uptrend. All moving averages still uptrend, except 5 and 10, and yeah, 20. 20 also, yeah. 5, 10, and 20 change direction, but 200, 150 still uptrend. Let's check on 4 hours. 4 hours for dollar. 4 hours for dollar, bullish confirmation, right? And it's bullish. The last bar close above MA 50. Bullish trend for dollar on 4 hours. It's a bullish and bearish for indexes. Let's check on 1 hour. 1 hour. It was bullish. It is still bullish. It touched MA 200. Looks like MA 200 can be strong resistant. It can bounce from it. Now it's kind of support because the last bar closed above MA 200. Above all moving averages is a strong now support for dollar. MA 200 strong support for dollar. MACD wants to do bearish crossover. Bearish crossover. Awesome oscillator already has red bars. RSI is still in the overbought territory. No confirmation yet. MACD wants to do bearish crossover, still flat. No confirmation yet, but MA5 already did crossover, yeah, but over MA10. We need to close below MA200 to do crossover and give the bearish signal on 1 hour. Okay, please be careful on 1 hour. It's ready to change direction. Let's move to Apple Daily. Apple Daily, it's in decision mode. It's still below 200. It's above all moving averages except one MA200 on daily. Still bullish trend. Daily still bullish trend. No changes. Bullish trend on daily. Let's check on 4 hours. 4 hours still bullish trend on MACD. RSI awesome oscillator still bullish trend. MA20 wants to do a bullish crossover over even MA200. MA5 already did bullish crossover over 200 and 100. That's bullish. Yeah, still red bar. We did gap down overnight. He did gap down, like $1 gap down. It will be close. Yeah, it still has huge gap below current state, but it's still an up. The closest we just created last night. Okay, still bullish on all indicators on 4 hours. 1 hour for Apple, bearish. It's bearish. Has 2 bars. MACD already did bearish crossover on 1 hour. Bearish signal on all indicators. Bearish trend, yeah, it has bearish divergence. Yeah, bearish divergences on all indicators. Not awesome oscillator. On RSI and MACD, bearish divergence. Okay, yeah, gap above us, above current state, gap below. We'll see this correction. Does it want to go and close that gap below, or it has multiple gap below? We'll see. Still, yeah, bearish signal on 1 hour. Let's move to Qs daily. Qs daily, it's uptrend. Still bullish. The bar above MA5 by about 10 and 20. MACD is still bullish trend. Kind of low volume. Bullish trend on MACD, RSI and also oscillator still bullish. Bullish on daily for Qs. On 4 hours, still bullish, but it has bearish direction because the histogram already changed to bearish. The last bar closed below MA10, still above MA5. Still bullish signal on all indicators. Still green bullish signal on all indicators. MA20 did a bullish crossover over MA50. It's an uptrend. MA20 uptrend. Still bullish signal on 4 hours. Let's check on 1 hour for Qs. 1 hour for Qs. It's kind of flat. It was flat all day, right? It did gap down and did flat. This bearish signal, it's flat. It's at the zero line. We cannot consider as a bullish or bearish. It's just flat, neutral. We need to see where it's going to go, up or down. So far it's a neutral at the zero line. Green light on awesome oscillator. RSI still bearish. MACD, the red bearish signal on 1 hour, but no strong confirmation. Still, yeah, gap above current state and below. This gap very close. It should close it. It should close this gap on 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily, right? Yeah, let's go and just mention how we use Qs for on daily, right? On daily, use Qs, or on 4 hours, like it doesn't matter, daily, right? Here, MACD changed direction. We sold TQQ and we bought SQQ, right? SQQ bought at the 818. It moved down, and on 1014 we sold SQQ on 10.4, and we bought TQQ on 1017. Now it's TQQ. It's a 300% versus Qs. 300% versus Qs. It's an uptrend, right? That's how we use Qs. When we buy SQQ, it's a 300% down. When Qs move 1% down, SQQ move 3% up. When Qs move 1% up, TQQ moves 3% up. That's how we use for our strategy. Okay, let's move back to YouTube. VXN volatility index for daily. Volatility index for Nasdaq. For Nasdaq, still bearish on daily. Has some green light on awesome oscillator, but MACD and RSI still bearish trend. On MACD, still bearish trend. Let's check on the 4 hours. 4 hours bearish trend, no changes. The last bar closed below MA 200. MA 5 did bearish crossover over 200. MA 20 has direction to bearish direction, downtrend. Bearish signal, except awesome oscillator. The RSI and MACD bearish trend, bar in a bearish trend. Bearish, it's a bullish for Qs, right? Remember it. On 1 hour, yeah, it was kind of bullish, but it's a flat. On MACD, it definitely wants to change direction to bearish. RSI already changed direction to bearish, and also oscillator bearish. Still bearish on hourly, and the last bar closed below all moving averages. It's a bearish on 1 hour. And it's weird, right? Because, like I said, it's kind of weird because behavior is not expected. VXN minus 2%. At the same time, Qs was 1% minus. When Qs 1% minus, VXN must be 2% up or more. Qs negative and VXN negative. Looks like it doesn't scare investors because Qs negative. They do not buy protection. No protection. It means market wants to go bullish. Okay, let's move to SPY. SPY daily bullish, MACD bullish. The last bar above all moving averages except 100 and 200. Still bullish on all indicators. 4 hours. 4 hours, still bullish on all indicators. Still bullish on all indicators, right? The last bar closed above all moving averages except 200. Bullish trend. MA20 uptrend. Kind of far, still bars far from MA20, but the MA20 uptrend. That's good bullish signal. MACD histogram just downtrend, but still bullish signal on all indicators. On 4 hours and daily. Let's move on 1 hour. 1 hour. Yeah, it has gap down, right? It has gap down. The last bar closed below MA5 and 10, still above MA20. Bearish signal on MACD, bearish signal on RSI, and also oscillator. On hourly, it's in the bearish trend, still above MA20. Bearish signal, still above MA20. With the gap down. It's after hours 18% up. 0.18. Okay, bearish signal on 1 hour, bullish on daily and 4 hours. And let me mention the strategy for SPY. Similar, right? Similar for SPY. Here we sold QQQ on October 26. I'm sorry, it's for hourly. Let's see that daily. Let's daily similar story, right? On here on 8/19 we bought SPXS. It's SPSX, it's a short. And we sold it on the October 4th, SPSX. And we bought SPXL on October 13. And it's the same like Q's. XPXL, when SPY moves 1% up, XPXL moves 3% up. When SPY moves 1% down, SPX moves 3% up. Okay, that's how it works. Let's move back to our review. And we just mentioned about, we just mentioned about the SPY. Let's move to VIX. VIX volatility index for SPY, right? Volatility index for SPY daily still bearish, strong bearish, but it touched last 2 days. It touched MA200. MA200 is a strong support. Remember, it's a strong support. Strong support. It was always strong support, and now it's strong support. It can bounce from it, but so far, yeah, it closed below, but it's still support. Strong support. 200 moving averages. Daily 200 moving averages. Still bearish signal on all indicators. 4 hours. 4 hours for VIX. Closed below all moving averages. MA5 did bearish crossover over MA200. Still bearish signal on all indicators. MA20 downtrend wants to go over the MA200. It's a downtrend. Bearish trend. And 1 hour. 1 hour, it's a bullish. Yeah, 1 hour, it's a bullish. 1 hour, yeah, it did gap up and change direction, yeah. Bullish, but on the other side, it's already bearish and also oscillator bearish. It wants to go bearish. And the last bar closed below all moving averages. It's a bearish signal. MACD is still in the green, but it's a bearish signal on 1 hour. MACD is still in the green. SPY was negative. Today, VIX positive. That's what we are expecting. VIX positive, when SPY negative. Okay, 4 hours and daily bearish, it's a bullish for SPY. Even 1 hour, it's still neutral, but it's positive for SPY. Let's move to Dow. Dow daily, powerful move up. It closed above MA 200, right? It's above MA 200, bullish trend, MA 20, uptrend direction, all MA 5, 10 and 20 uptrend direction, bullish signal, bullish trend, and it's closed above MA 20. It wants to close this gap about 335. It wants to close the gap above current state. It has some gaps below also, but it's a bullish direction on all indicators. 4 hours. 4 hours, bullish trend, the last bar above MA 5. Bullish trend, bullish signal on all indicators in 4 hours. 1 hour, it's a bearish. 1 hour bearish, similar like SPY and Qs, and on 1 hour it's a bearish. On daily and 4 hours it's a bullish. Bearish on 1 hour, but still above all moving averages, still above MA 20, but below MA 5 and 10. That's what we have. And let's talk about how we use strategy for Dow. Similar like we use for Qs and SPY. Dow, when Dow move 1% up, UDow moves 3% up. When Dow moves 1% down, SDow moves 3% up, right? Like today was negative day, but for SDow it was bullish day. Let's move to daily and see daily how we use it. And on the 8/22 we sold UQQ, UDow, and we bought SDow, right? SDow. And on the 10/4 we sold SDow and bought UDow on October 5. And still bullish, we still keep UDow up. Okay, thank you. That's simple how you can use the simple trading style strategy to be successful. Please don't use real money, just use paper account, use paper trading account for it. Use paper trading account, don't use real money. Okay, let's move back. Let's move back and do review. Okay, VXD volatility index for Dow on daily. It's a similar look at it. Yeah, Dow was down, was red day today, but for VXD it was positive. That's what we are expecting. When Dow negative, VXD positive. That's not what we saw with the Nasdaq. Nasdaq was VXN negative and Qs negative. Okay, daily on VXD volatility for Dow, volatility index for Dow, bearish on daily, bullish on for Dow. The last bar is still above my 200, but still bearish signal, yeah, and it's about, it looked like it was strong support 200, yeah. Look at it, it touched MA 200, and MA 200, we remember, it's always strong support, so it's always strong support line. Okay, Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours, same scenario. Bearish signal for all indicators. Bearish signal. Also later just switch to green. Bearish signal, and we touched the MA 200 and bounced from MA 200. The last bar still below all moving averages, and the MA 20 downtrend. Still bearish signal, bearish trend for all indicators. It's a bullish for Dow. 1 hour. Let's see 1 hour. 1 hour, it's a bullish trend. 1 hour bullish trend. It still closed below all moving averages. On RSI it's a bearish, on the MACD it's a bullish, also later bullish. Bullish trend on 1 hour. Bullish trend on 1 hour, but remember it's below all moving averages. Okay. In IWM, let's move to IWM. IWM, Russell 2000. Russell 2000, daily. Bullish trend on all indicators, right? Bullish trend, it's above all moving averages except 200. It wants to close this gap between 140, 185 and 187. $2 gap. It wants to close this gap and touch the MA 200, and maybe it will resist from MA 200. That's what we are expecting. Daily still bullish. 4 hours still bullish on all indicators. MACD bullish, RSI all bullish, right? Last bar above all moving averages, bullish trend. MA 20 wants to do very bullish crossover. MA 5 and 10 already did bullish crossover over MA 200. That's the bullish trend. MA 50 always also change direction uptrend. Bullish trend. It wants to close this gap above the current state. Look at that. The RSI is clean, right? No gaps below the current state. Only gap above the current state. That's the bullish trend, right? On 4 hours. On 1 hour, let's say IWM on 1 hour. Yeah, the last bar, it's still above May 20, still above May 20, May 10, kind of bullish direction. But remember, it has on 1 hour, it has bearish divergence, right? On the MACD, bearish signal and bearish divergence. Bearish divergence on RSI, on all divergence. On all moving averages, we have multiple bearish divergences on IWM on 1 hour. It means it wants to change direction to bearish. So far it's still uptrend, but it's a bearish signal and bearish divergence on every indicator. Be ready. Keep stop tight. You see the one MA 220 was kind of support. It's still above all, but be ready for correction on IWM on 1 hour. On 1 hour only. Let me show you how we can use also Russell 2000. It's similar like other indexes, similar strategy. On daily, when IWM move 1% up, URTY moves 3% up. When IWM moves 1% down, SRTY moves 3% up. That's how easy you can use it, right? Similar here, we sold URTY on 8/19 and we bought SRTY. SRTY we bought here. We sold SRTY on October 4th and we bought URTY on October 4th. You can make money on the both direction. You can be successful in the both direction, downtrend or uptrend. You don't care which direction market goes. We follow the market. We don't fight with the market. We follow the market direction. That's until market change direction. follow the market direction until it changes direction. That's so simple, right? That's so simple, and you can be successful in the both way. In both ways, okay? In both ways. Let's go back. IWM daily, bullish signal, all indicators, right? Kind of far from MA20, far from MA20. Like we mentioned, on 1 hour it's bearish. That's why, yeah, be careful. It can change direction with the bearish divergences. No bearish divergences on daily or 4 hours. No bearish divergences yet. On the other side, yeah, on the other side kind of, but yeah, no divergences on the 4 and daily. Only 1 hour. RVX, Russell to volatility index for Russell 2000, right? Let's do daily below MA200 are bearish signal on all indicators. Bearish signal on all indicators, but remember it can bounce from MA200. MA200 strong support for any security. Strong support. Still, yeah, below MA200, but very close. Let's move to 4 hours. 4 hours. 4 hours. Bearish trend for 4 hours. Bearish trend on MACD, right? Still bearish in the bearish zone. The last bar closed below all moving averages. Bearish signal. Bearish signal. It's a bullish for IWM. Bullish for Russell, right? And 1 hour. 1 hour bearish. Bearish signal for RSI, even on 1 hour. It's a bullish on for Russell 2000. It's a bullish for IWM on all time frames. Volatility for RSI bearish, and it's a bullish for IWM. Okay, let's do summary. Market still bullish on daily and 4 hours, and it's a bearish on 1 hour on a short term, on a daily, on a short interval. It's a for day traders. Yeah, for day traders it was negative today, but on daily and 4 hours still bullish. Bullish trend with 1 hour bearish signal. Okay, and I showed you how you can use simple trading strategy for all indexes. It's powerful, it's useful, it works great. You can use this strategy for any securities. Let me move to my last page. Yeah, it works for stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto. You can learn about that in the technical, in the descriptions, the links to all my trainings, and just subscribe for YouTube channel. You will learn it from daily reviews and weekly reviews and monthly reviews. Please click like button and subscribe for Telegram and Discord community also. Thank you so much, and good luck. Bye now.